Hi, guys. This is Mrs. Roberts, and we're going to talk about psychology today. So, just very quickly, I am taking a look at your modules tab and I am scrolling down to today's agenda. So, that's today, Thursday or Friday. Today, we're going to be reflecting and connecting. So, today is going to be, just very briefly, a day that you will be working on your own. So if you have a question, I will be available in the chat. So I will be available on Zoom if you do have a question. Otherwise, you guys can work just at your own pace. So today, your targets are reflecting on your learning in the trauma module and reflecting on your behaviors that have led to success or failure. So today is really just about the two words reflecting and connecting. So today we're going to start by looking at your grades tab. So you're going to be going to the grades tab. And for you guys, it looks a bit different than for me. It's over here on the left. So you can go to your grades tab and just double check that you have, a grade that looks sufficient for you. At this point, your grade is really just based on your completion rate. So literally just a percentage is how many of the assignments have you completed. Another option is for you to go to the assignments tab, and that'll take you to assignment by assignment. So I can click on that for you. And so you guys have 4 or 5 assignments. Currently, there are just 2 assignments that are syncing with Infinite Campus at this moment, but I will be turning these on this weekend. So there will be 3 more items that will be synced. You'll notice they're available until this Friday. And that will be your last parts of your submissions for this module. So these are our formative submissions. Now, in the future, you'll see that there's a summative submission. So here in just a little bit, that'll be next class. It'll be populated with a summative task for you to do. Those will be in the format of a very short multiple choice section, followed by some short answer questions or possibly an essay, depending on your choice. All right, so let's scroll back down here to the agenda. All right, so your job today is to make sure that you have reflected on your completion. So review your completion of all assignments, read the comments if I've given you comments, and then complete any missing assignments or resubmit assignments you need to fix. So that's what your job is to do first. Second, I need you to actually reflect on what you have completed so far. I need you to reflect on your behavior, and I need you to reflect on how much you have actually completed. So, you're going to use the assignments and grades section of Canvas. So I just showed you how to do that to complete it. So once you're finished with all of your assignments, you're going to be completing this assignment. You're submitting the form when you're done. Now, the preparation for this week is that next class you're going to be completing a summative task. So that just means when you open these assignments and you look back at what you've learned so far, you're going to start to just review those in some sort of way, right? So you're just going to say, okay, what do I actually remember about learning about the brain? What do I actually remember about how to develop resiliency? So I'm just asking you to read back over that material. And then what you'll be doing for the day in order to do that, that's here. So this is a reflect and connect form. So when we open that, it is simply a Google form that you're going to be completing. It's very simple. I completed 1.1. I completed 1.1 in a timely manner. I did not struggle understanding the material. When completing, I can reflect that I connected with this information best or easiest. Which one? I'll fix that wording there. So the form is pretty lengthy, but it's also just very simple. In the very bottom, or on the bottom, I should say, that's going to be including some questions about small groups that we might move forward with, people who you might want to be in a group with or not, and then kind of just your preferences about what we've done thus far. All right, so that's what you're doing today. So today is a reflect and connect day. I'll see you next class.